Hey guys, in this video I'll go over how to deposit check in your Chase app. First things first, you want to go ahead and sign in to the Chase mobile app, and then you want to tap on pay and transfer. And from here you want to select deposit checks and just basically go ahead and choose the account where you want your deposit to go. Then you need to deposit the amount, right? Enter that amount and then tap front, take a photo of the front of the check. Then you just endorse your check and tap on next. Then now you need to take a photo of the back of the check. And once you've captured the photos of your check, review the deposit, check the deposit amount, right? Check the details. And then once you're satisfied with that, select next and then deposit to basically confirm, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.